We just came out from the castle, no? Very elaborate na network streets inside. Nandito yung mga kasama ng architects. So we're going seaside, no, na area. It's very medyo naka-recover na yung voice ko. Sobrang lamig kasi. You have here mga may pizza, liquor shop. Of course here, going inside. So, galing kami sa loob ng city ng Slit. This is coastal Croatian city in the Adriatic Sea. Very historic yung place na to, no? Because pinag-aagawan talaga to. Sabi nga na who controls this place controls the Adriatic Sea. So you have churches, structures as long as 1,000 years. Always though, investment nila in open spaces. Huh? Dito so we're here. Ganda, no? Open area. This is the sea promenade. Talaga yan. Gandang gawin yung in any city yung promenade, no? Because open space siya eh. So this is the Adriatic Sea, the Mediterranean. So ganda rin to because less traveled, no? Very few Asians here, no? Mostly mga travelers here are from Eastern Europe, Western Europe, mga European. Yesterday we saw mga group of Chinese, but konti lang also. We're in a group of mga 35, no? People, mga mostly professional, established na mga architects in the Philippines. Medyo nawala yung boses ko the past, yung mga past na early na mga shots, so walang voice na walang description, but after 2 days medyo naka-recover na. Sexy voice pa nga lang. Okay, here